Back to the channel, glad to have you here. Does a massage gun really help? Today we're going to look at the massage gun, what it does, and also the important factors that help to determine whether it is helpful or not. So massage guns are a type of handheld device that uses rapid percussive movements to provide deep tissue massage, and these devices have become increasingly popular in recent years, with many people using them for pain relief in various parts of the body, including the back, the arms, the legs, the hips, and the feet. Massage guns work by sending rapid pulses of pressure into the muscles and into the tissues of the body. This helps to break up knots, improve circulation, and reduce tendons. This can provide relief for sore or tight muscles and can also help to reduce pain and inflammation. There is limited scientific research on the effectiveness of massage guns for pain relief, and many people do report positive results from using these devices. In addition to providing pain relief, massage guns also are importantly beneficial for improving range of motion, enhancing athletic performance, and reducing stress and anxiety. Now, it's really important to note that while massage guns can be very helpful for some people, they may not be appropriate for everyone. People with certain medical conditions, people with certain injuries may need to avoid using massage guns, or they may need to use them under the guidance of a healthcare professional.